In this video, I will be reciting affirmations of Law of Assumption. Repeat after me. I am safe. I am loved. I am wealthy. I am in control of my thoughts. I create my own reality. I always find the right person for me. I am always successful in my ventures. I am happy and healthy. I am beautiful. The love I give away is returned to me. I am grateful for all the good that is in my life. I am happy and peaceful. I'm ready and excited to see what good things await me. I am kind, generous, and forgiving of myself and others. I love myself and others unconditionally. I let go of any resentment, anger, or guilt. I am a magnet for joy. I am worthy. I am important. I can have anything I want. I am good enough. I am smart enough. I deserve to be happy and have a great life. I deserve to be safe. I deserve to be loved. I deserve to have a job that makes me happy. I deserve to have an enjoyable house. I deserve to be healthy. I deserve to have money. I have the time to do everything I need. I feel happy and self-assured. I am confident in my work. I will give my best effort. I am happy with my life and the person I am becoming. I am doing the best I can. I am confident and capable. I am in control of my life. I am able to achieve anything I set my mind to. I love myself. I am wise. I am free. I am enough. I am confident. I draw wealth to me like a magnet. My life is abundantly prosperous. I have success, optimism, and passion. I get wisdom from my past. I am worth it. I am successful. I recognize the strength of my intentions. I encourage success in all aspects of life. People are happy because they are with me. Everyone wants to be my friend. I am a good person and have good intentions. People will always like me. People will always want to talk to me. I can easily manifest anything and everything I want. I am filled with power, strength, and courage. I have a strong sense of self-confidence. I can do anything I set my mind to. I am the master of my fate. I have faith that I can make my wishes come true. Success finds me throughout my life. I bring pleasure, prosperity, and good health into my life. I am open and willing to accept. I am rich. My relationships are healthy. My family is happy and healthy. I live in a safe environment. I make plans for the future. My good attitude is changing my life. I have the ability to truly live my life. Others are inspired by my attitude and my achievements. My life is perfect. Repeat the affirmations and subscribe for more. Take care.